Now we're going to plant a plug. A plug is a perennial plant typically that is very young and small. I love planting these for a number of reasons. It's easy. The carbon footprint on production is much less than larger material, and you save money. So to begin with, many people will tell you to start by ripping the roots of any potted plant. With a plug, they're young enough that I only do that if more than 50% of the surface is covered with root. So for example, this plug, I would rip a little bit before planting, but this one I would leave alone. Now you can use a soil knife or just a typical trowel to do this. I'm going to use a soil knife because it's easier. You want to stick it into the full depth of your prepared planting surface and wiggle it. The hole should be the same size or slightly smaller than the plug, because the most important thing is good soil-to-soil contact. Smoosh it in there. Once it's in there, you want the surface of the soil to match the plug and the surrounding area, but you want to cover the surface of the plug so that there's no texture change between where the plug is and the surrounding soil. That can cause a lot of evaporation or the plug to pop out if the ground freezes. So once you've gotten that covered up, then just to make sure there's no air pockets, I'm going to use my feet to step on it. And that's it. Stay tuned for more gardening videos.